Hey guys, it's Super Fun Gaming Channel, and today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button Part 2. Remember, I did Don't Press the Button for my first video this year. People are targeting me. Yeah, I did Don't Press the Button for my first video this year. I'm gonna do it, and guys, this probably gonna be my last video. It's probably gonna be my last video. Well, not my last video, like until Saturday then I'm gonna post again because I'm going to a hotel today. So yeah, I'm going to a hotel today. And since I'm going with my whole family, it's gonna be loud. We're staying there until Saturday, I think. I'm pretty sure we're staying there until Saturday. And we're leaving today. So yeah, so I'm probably not gonna be able to make any videos. And I think I wasn't paying attention, so I think I'm not gonna be able to recover. I'm just gonna guess this one. I don't think I was paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. Yup, I definitely wasn't paying attention. I was like talking. Why was I talking? That was horrible. Why did I start talking? Sometimes they do dodgeball. You guys, probably on Saturday we will see. Instead of just fighting for one ball, why don't you focus on getting all the other balls? Instead of just focusing on one. Having to fight for one ball, and you can literally just you're pushing it to there. You're trying to push it forward. This one blue member is so mad because why is my teammate helping? Oh my. What am I doing? Stop. No. Bro, what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's 2-2. You could just put the ball in. Just get in there. Get in. Okay, finally. Alright, it's a tie. Button. What are we gonna be doing? This one is zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's trick it to zoom out. So you have a better That's faster than let's try high. Oh, that was so close. I almost died. Okay. I literally spawned right on the straight on the tornado. Literally straight on the tornado. And then I just fell right into the blue. Yup, I know it was risky, because I just died. Okay, what are we doing? Sometimes it does a hide and seek game. Oh, I have 2 items in my inventory. Let's go. Now I can run fast and kill goblins and skeletons. I'm gonna focus on that. Things are coming out from this game. Yeah, so many in here. There's no more. those skeletons. I think the skeletons are gonna get 25 first. Why is the zombie chasing me? They're all they're chasing me down. But me, I want to get this one. Die. I think the skeletons are gonna win. Doesn't look like they're doing it. And I can't like control it because it's like in front of me. Okay, I think the zombies might win. Zombies are gonna come back. Okay, skeletons. Oh my god, the skeletons just won. Oh my god. Yeah, I think the zombies won, definitely. 25, there's no way 25 skeletons got defeated first. It was 25 zombies. They both have 25, so there should be 2 potions, right? I don't even know what that does. I think it just gives you high jump. Yep, it does. Okay, I have a trick. Here's where to hide. I just hide right here, go down, and this is where I hide. And then no one finds me. And boom, and she just fell right in the void. But now she knows where I'm hiding. We have to psych them out with my you know, the speed coil. We have to use it. What the heck? Is it possible for the zombies to? Bro, a zombie just fell into the void. I'm trying to hide. There's 2 survivors. Just me and someone else. And I don't know where that someone else is. The second, the second person was back. It was this guy who was still alive. Oh, and I'm right next to the guy. Okay, guy, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. I don't know what your name is, but don't shoot me. You can't get me. Boing. Wait, why can't I go over that? Can't get me when I'm jumping so high. Can't get me when I'm jumping so high. You can't get me when I'm jumping so high. Can't get me when I'm jumping so high. Can't get me when I'm jumping so high. No. Can't get me when I'm jumping high. I just looked right over that thing. Look, I just jump high, honestly. I drank the potion. Nope, I would rather jump on the button. Oh, I almost just died there. This game and person minigames are basically the same thing. Like this spinning cube is literally the exact same thing. Same with dodgeball too. But except in dodgeball, instead of them throwing it at you and waiting for the ball to turn white, every time you throw a dodgeball, you just respawn with one and don't press the button. Don't press the button, you just spawn with one after you throw it. I want to stay here. Throw a ball. I'm using the speed coil to go faster. Okay, I'm gonna fall. Okay, I don't even care. Okay. Next game. We'll get on which platform. Jump. Oh, the jumping ability's not there anymore. The jumping ability's gone. Drink it again. We can drink it again. Oh, this game again. Use your speed coil. Speed! Okay, it's 2 against 1. We obviously won this. I mean, it doesn't really matter to the players. If you're really good and they're really bad. You're obviously crushing them. You're solving them. This red person is here. You're gonna win. This is dominate the red team. Move, blue team. You're stopping me from scoring. One of them just left. They were like, they were having none of it. It could be a 4 against 1. It could literally be a 4 against 1, and that one player just wins. I can't move anything. How's she invisible? Get that from me. I can go fast too. Haha. No. Me, no. Yes, you do. Oh, she stole. She was mad. There's the new animation. This one where you can levitate. Oh my. You can levitate like this. There's the new one. I bought it. And you can literally just... So you can literally eat cake while floating. I could literally be dropping money while floating. I could be throwing bombs while floating. It's also similar. Well, it's similar to Epic Mini. Okay, I got bombs though. And then there's this thing. That taser. How do you turn invisible? I have to basically try everything right now. I'm getting that diamond. They always just follow the person. So I have the diamond so bad. Where is it? Where is it? It. No one found the diamond. Oh shoot. Which way is it spinning? Okay. So the thing is, you have to stay on the edge. And when it goes fast, you have to jump like really early. It gets faster and faster each time, so you have to jump like right here. Just me and this girl left. She's running around it. Like, what is she doing? Oh, what? What the? He gave me. What the heck? What the heck happened? I thought I jumped over it, but then for some reason I jumped on it. I'm gonna give them another bomb. Or which one's bomb? Where's the two? Hey, get away from me. Die. Where do you go? Kill me. Stop killing it. It's just coming from skeletons. It looks like skeletons. I think this one helps you go faster. I think this one makes you go faster. What does it even do? What is it? I think it makes you go faster by centimeters. He's trying to get it. He tried. I'm going to cool the diamond. I'm going to get the diamond. I'm going to get the cool too. Little ducky. I know where it is. Bring it back here. HQ. What's the HQ? Oh, okay. Oh no. Run, 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 run. Don't stand in the edge, stand in the middle. Where'd the dryer go? Oh no! Oh no! Run. Oh wait, get the fire extinguisher too. Got it.
I'm a firing
Oh, no. I'm just gonna keep
I'm a
it.
firing
Again? What? It happened again, so they wanted to give them just like a chance.
I like singing.
Bro,
I
this
like
one.
dancing.
Okay,
I like trains.
You have to stand and Tabby can almost die. Run for it. Ah, got it. Is it on the left side or the right side? I'm going on the right side this time. I just got it straight away. Aim. You guys not even doing that. So I can oh, time. You have to just hit them. Like, there's more. Oh, okay. I have a great news here. I'm pretty sure this was added. This was new. Because the new year happened. 2023 ended so fast. I am not going into the pot. Okay, what happens? Oh, I'm not. Okay, I'm definitely not going in the pot then. I didn't think I got it. My bad. I scored. I'm confused. Oh my, it landed straight on me. Oh my. There's literally one. Get it? Side again. Can you change the main characters? Oh, I feel like I know the way. It's back here. Yeah, it's you. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, though, because this will be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Bye.